Magandang gabi. Ayan, nagluluto ulit ako ng curry. Pero this time is pork curry. Ayan, pork curry naman ang iluluto natin ngayon. At 6:30 PM na. Ayan, malapit na siyang maluto. Ayan, pork curry naman. Paborito ng aking mga anak ang roti, pero kailangan may kapartner na curry. So ngayon, this time, I'm making pork curry. And the last time, one of my daughter asked for chickpeas on the side. But I cannot do it anymore to cook another on the side. It's kind of late now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the chickpeas. So she got chickpeas in the curry. Ayan. So at least may chickpeas. Ibang version to, curry na nilagyan ko ng chickpeas. Ayan. So pork naman siya. Tayin-tayin natin maluto. Maybe another half an hour. And I roll some roti. So I have 12 pieces. That's the way I do. So i-cover natin siya ng mga 20 minutes. They said the longer you cover and relax the dough, the better. Ayan. So yan ang gamit ko, oil, flour. Ang gamit ko, I think it's rose flour. So, ayan. So, yan ang ating gabihan muli. Ang ating roti na niroll ko muna para pag niroll ko na siya ng flat, magiging flaky siya. And then, iluluto na natin siya sa pan. Tapos, palalamigin natin and then ikaklap natin. Ayan. So muli, simple dinner natin. Hindi pa siya luto yung ating roti. Papahinga natin yung ating dough ng about 20 minutes. Para mas malambot at flaky yung ating roti. So yan ang ganap natin today. Today is Tuesday, May 7. Okay, so maya-maya na lang balik tayo sa ating roti. Ito pala ginagamit kong flat na kawali para sa ating roti. Yan. So manipis lang siya. So, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, this is the way I do. I oil it with a paper towel. And then, flip. Then, oil the other side. Yeah. You can use brush, but I use paper towel, faster, convenient. Yeah. Okay. Real burn, maybe we have to go down or maybe regular flour. See bubble. Ouch, hot. See, it's hot. So I use this paper towel and transfer it here. So I got one now. I cool it down. One more. And I'm gonna roll more. And it's not really a round shape, but the important is the taste. And then I will put it the pan. Flat it. There. And then add oil. And then flip. And add all the other side. And wait till it raise or bubble. The roti is almost done. Yeah. It's bubbling. And here we are. The roti. Kain po tayo. God bless everyone. Take care. Bye for now. Medyo nasunog.